Congratulations on your purchase of the new Tineco S3. Now you got it home, I'm going to run you through some tips on how to maintain it and use it. It also has Wi-Fi connectivity, so if you want to take advantage of all the features it has to offer, download the app and just get started. First up, we're going to fill our water tank. We're going to fill it to the max line here. Then we're going to take our Eco Solution Hard Floor Cleaner and just put a little squirt into the canister. The Eco Solution Hard Floor Cleaner is the only solution we recommend for the Tineco S3. After filling the water in solution, just click the tank straight back into the machine until you hear the click. Now you're ready to clean those hard floors. Take the machine off the docking station, press the on button for 1 second, put your foot gently on the head, tilt it back and you're ready to go. Now you're finished cleaning, it's time to empty and rinse the dirty water tank and get it ready for its self-cleaning cycle. Press the release button to remove the dirty water tank. Now empty the dirty water out and thoroughly rinse the tank. Now the tank is clean, return it to the machine, put it on the docking station and start the self-cleaning cycle. Make sure the docking station is plugged in or else the self-cleaning cycle won't run. Once the self-cleaning cycle is finished, empty all remaining water in the clean water tank and thoroughly clean the dirty water tank as well as cleaning the filter. Occasionally you'll have to clean the roller brush and the debris channel. Firstly, take off the cover and remove the roller brush. Now use the bladed end on the cleaning tool provided to remove any hair. Secondly, take out the dirty water tank and use the other end of the tool to clean the debris channel. Insert the tank, roller brush and cover and then it will be ready for whenever you want to use it next. For a more quiet operation, you can press the mute button, which will deactivate the voice prompts. For replacement filters or the recommended hard floor solution, pop into your local Godfrey store or visit us online.